Well, good morning everyone and welcome back to the channel. Last night I found a feed of probably about 1,000 mallards and I could only find one other guy. Well, one guy backed out, but I got one other guy, my good buddy Don. We're going out in the bean field. There's going to be standing corn in there. We got permission to hide in it, so won't have to worry about setting up blinds at all. So we'll just hurry up, go out there and set up a few decoys and then go hopefully shoot some mallards. And today I'm going to do a little bit of a challenge. So I've done this a few times in the past, especially when we've had a good decent pheasant population, but I'm gonna go for the trifecta. So I'm gonna try to get a limit of 3 species. So 1 mallards, hopefully this morning, and hopefully I get a bonus duck. Then 2 pheasant, and then 3 walleye, all in one day. So, yeah, these kind of challenges make for a long day. Sometimes I get a little bored, and especially now that I'm on vacation, it gives me something to do all day. So hopefully we shoot our mallards this morning. The walleye bite might be a little difficult to get because it did kind of get colder. But it is supposed to warm up later in the evening, so hopefully that turns them on. But finally have a decent pheasant population. I would have done this last year, but we just didn't have the birds. So this year, I'm going to try for it, and hopefully I get her done. So I'm going to get packed up, and I'll see you out in the field.
Good morning, Jackie. Morning, buddy. Oh, a little frosty today. It's about 25 degrees, I think, this morning. So first really cold morning of the year. So we get all our decoys out and hopefully don't get any frost on them. I might wait for a little bit. Well, I got the spread all set out. That's shooting time right now, so I'm just getting walking back. But so it's a little foggy right now, so I'm assuming that they won't see their decoys till it lifts a little bit. But they're already in the air, so at least we know they're flying. So we only put out probably, I'd say about 2 dozen goose decoys, maybe a dozen, and then 2 dozen duck decoys, and I think like 5 or 6 mojos. So hopefully it does the job. And they're already flying to our decoys.
They're pretty high.
Here's one up top. Oh yeah, there's some up there. Kill him! I got one. Oh, it's not going down. There he goes. Jack, back. Come here. Heel. 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 Sit. Sit down. Jack. Jack. Back. 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 Back! Oh, it's dead. Oh, no, it's still alive. Yep. Should have been a drake. That no wind could be a problem. Jack, come here. Heel, bring it here. Jack, bring it here. Come here. Drop. Kill him. Hold up. There's a drake there. Kill him! I shooting, Don. There wasn't that many drakes in there, was there? I didn't see. I think we got the 2 young ones that were in there. Nice shooting. Back. Fine. Heel. Back. Back. Up top. Need some wind. Right here. Shoot him! Nice! Yeah, we just need some wind, don't we?
Yeah, they come from any direction.
Yeah, this is like perfect if they come like little. I mean, it'd be nice to be done early, but back. Oh. Or there, get that one. Here, heel. Heel. Bring it here. Heel. Drop. Back. No. Come here, heel. Bring it here. Bring it here. Hand. Hand. Drop. Back. Jack, back. Back. Yeah, it's a little tricky to see hens and drakes. Jack, heel.
I didn't even see that group coming.
Hold. Drop. That's a fat one.
Is it?
Probably could pluck this one.
Yeah, there's a few there.
He looked like he really wanted in.
He's right
Much
here.
more.
Here. Shoot him! You got two? You got one?
He's still going.
I got one. These geese coming in. They might give us a pass by. Yeah, they don't like them spinners. Shoot him! Oh! Those must have been little geese, huh?
I don't think they're real big.
No. Holy crap. Bat. They had to be the tiny geese because they folded like crazy. Oh yeah, they're little ones.
Sure are.
Look at them. Gee. Yeah. Back. Holy cow. Tiny. Come here, heel. Heel. Heel, come here. Drop. Wow. Yeah. That one's got the ring on it. Shoot him. Back. Oh, that one got. Are you kidding me? Oh, that one is a. They look tiny, didn't they? I thought they were gadwalls. Heel. Drop. Was that the one you hit, or?
Yeah.
Huh.
What is it?
There, it's mallard.
They are.
Yeah, tiny though.
Ew.
I thought they're gadwalls. Yeah, that is freaking. Well, at least I got my 5 drakes. Just this one is just tiny.
Yeah.
Let's go look at the birds. A lot of young ones still. This one is just a tiny drake. Got that all bill. But got my limit of 5 mallards and then 2 cacklers, which is kind of cool. Well, I'll kind of show you what I got going on today. Didn't put a whole lot of honkers just because it was mostly a duck feed, and I've been showing these birds because I've been hunting this field quite a bit, or this area. They've just kind of been hanging out here, and most of them have just been ducks. So this time of year, I really like to put out just a bunch of duck decoys. So I have like 2 dozen full body duck decoys, and then I went more mojos this time, 5. I probably would have put out more if I had more. And then, yeah, let's put some geese there, and that was pretty much it. I like to kind of use duck decoys. I haven't given them that look yet this year, so I went with that. So yeah, I got the first one out of the way, the duck limit. Didn't have a bonus duck, so maybe we'll jump something if we see like a bonus teal or something or like that. So technically, because you can shoot 6 ducks, so. But I got my limit of mallards, and so I guess that kind of counts as a limit. But then we'll try to get a limit of pheasants, and hopefully the walleyes are biting. It's going to warm up. Hopefully I can shoot some roosters this morning, and then eventually maybe the walleyes will turn on today. I went yesterday, it was pretty slow, so hopefully that part might be the toughest one. So got the first one down, we'll hopefully get the others. Jackie, come here. Come here. Come on, Jack, get him up. Come on, Jack, get him up. Let's go. Come on, Jack. Jackie, come here. Jack, come here. Young. There we go, there's one. Jack, come here. Jack, come here. Jack, come here. Jack, come here. Come here. Dead bird. Jack, come here. Dead bird. Dead bird. Hey, good boy. Bring it here.
Shoot, there was 2 roosters in there too, but got the one. Good boy. Come on, bring it here. Bring it here. Dang. Go. Good boy. Drop. Drop. I was kind of wondering if he was birdie. Come on, Jackie, come on. Well, there's one rooster. Come on, Jackie, come on. I was using steel shot too. Oh, dang. If I would have been on this side of the trees, I probably would have had 2. Nope, come here, come here. Come on. Jack, come on. Come on. Get him up. There's a little rooster there. Come on, Jack. Jack, bring it here. Dead bird. Good boy. Bring it here. Good boy. Come on. Bring it here. Jack, bring it here. Come on, buddy. Good boy. Bring it here. Bring it here. Good boy. Good dog. Good boy. Oh, there's number 2. That's a young one, but still counts. They eat the best anyway, so heck yes. Oh, there's our teal. Jack, back! Jack, back! I think it's a teal. Heck yeah, there's our 6th duck. Oh, and that is why you carry steel shot pheasant hunting. All right, let's get one more pheasant. Come on, bud. Normally I do shoot lead, but well, I still got some ducks to shoot. I'll shoot steel.
Well, a little time check. It's about 2:23 p.m. So I'm actually gonna go head fishing right now. I haven't caught any walleye yet, obviously. I finished out my duck limit, and then hopefully I can finish up my pheasant limit later on, or on the way to go fishing. But right now, I kind of want to go fishing because the sun is up at its highest right now, and it's probably gonna be as warm as it's gonna get. So hopefully that gets them going. That's kind of the key, is kind of getting them in the afternoon, and then hopefully get your last pheasant in the evening. But hopefully they're biting. It'd be nice to get my quick 5 right away, and then I can just go pheasant hunt, walk a lot more stuff, and then just kind of drive around and see if I see some pheasants, then I make a move on them. But well, it's working out so far. I wish we'd have been duck hunting a little bit earlier. It would have been nice, but I ended up getting our limit anyway. So hopefully I can finish off my walleye limit and then get that one more pheasant. I would stink if I was one short. So stay tuned. It's gonna be a good day.
Well, I was driving along and I kicked up a grouse, and it just went over this hill. So we're gonna see if we can try to get it. I haven't shot a grouse in a long time. There it is. I knew it was somewhere close in here. That's cool. Man, it's been a long time since I've shot a grouse. That's cool. Come on. I don't even know if Jack has retrieved the grouse. Good boy. Cool. Heck yeah. Jack, drop. Neat. And I forgot my vest, so I don't have anything to put it in. Man, they are a cool bird. Well, it turned out to be a pretty decent day. Shot 2 pheasants, a grouse, and shot those mallards in the morning. Just stinks that the walleyes didn't want to cooperate. Good boy, Jack. Getting a little birdie here. Good boy! Dang. Didn't make the best shot on it. Got one though. And that's my 3rd one if he finds it, and he should. No way. And a bunch of ducks getting up out of there. Can't believe I missed my first shot. Come on, Jackie. Good boy. And it's still alive too. Good boy, Jack. Good dog. Good boy. Heel. Bring it here. Good boy. Good boy. Heel. Jackie, heel. Bring it here. Good retrieve, buddy. Come here. Jackie, heel. Come here. Heel. Heel. No, sit. Good boy. Well, that's the 3rd rooster of the day. Oh, I might try another fishing spot since I'm done now, so cool. Jack, kill. Jack, kill. That is pretty dang cool. Oh, there's one. That's probably like a, yeah, probably a skinny like 14 and a half. We'll keep it though, because I need to get my 5. That would be an end to an epic day. There's a nicer fish. There we go. There's number 2. Let's go. Got 2 now.
I got 1.
Not the hugest, but they're like decent keepers. Trying to go in for the trifecta today.
Got a white bass. So
Yeah, I saw that. What the hell? Here we go, there's another one. Come on, what do we got? That's probably like a 14. I'm gonna keep it just because I got a goal and it's getting kind of late. And he absolutely devoured it, so I'm gonna have to keep this one. He'll still eat good. I'm gonna have to get a flashlight here pretty soon so you guys can see, because I'm sure it's gonna look kind of crappy. Well, I found a scoop, so I don't have to get my hands cold. They were starting to get a little chilly from dipping in, but got 3. Only 2 more from it. I think there's a good chance we can do the trifecta, which would be absolutely awesome. Even though these are smaller, but they'll still eat. It's kind of just like a little slack water spot. The main current is kind of pushing it into here, and there's definitely a lot in here, just not the right size, but been a lot of little ones so far on the river lately. Hopefully it starts picking up. There's a fish. Come on. There we go. There's number 4. That one's probably like another 14 or so. Like I said, not the biggest ones, but hey, they're eating. We got 1 left to go. I'd be a little bit more picky if I didn't have to get back, but catching quite a few is probably like my 8th one. They just no size to them. Normally I have a 15-inch rule, but today it's gonna be a 14. Another bite, come on, be a decent one. Doesn't feel big, but there we go. Oh, yep. Hey, that's actually like a 15 or so. And there she is. Yeah, that's probably like a closer to 15. Nothing big, but that's kind of what's it been in here, so. We got her done. Jeez, what a day. I didn't think we were gonna do it after I was at the other spot fishing. I mean, I didn't catch a single thing. I thought they're just off or something's weird, but well, fishing's only gonna get better. But today I was gonna keep them. I've been wanting to get it on film this since I started YouTube, but last year we just didn't have the pheasants, and this year we have a little bit more, so I was able to do it. Got the bonus geese and then the bonus grouse. Holy what a day.
And there is the final result from the day. Pretty cool. Even got a bonus grouse, 3 pheasants, 6 ducks, 2 geese, and then finish it off with those walleyes. You are one tired puppy, aren't you, buddy? It's one good thing about having an energetic dog is he is ready to hunt all day. And shout out to my wife right there for letting me go hunting and fishing all day. Anything you want to say to the YouTube people?
No.
I love you.
Love you.
Found it. Well, it's a couple weeks later, but I saved some of the fish and duck from that trifecta day. So got the walleye here, then here's some duck. And I actually have some heart from my buddy Brady that he shot his deer like probably a couple days ago, and I helped him pack it out, and he gave me that. So I already have a video of showing you how I like to cook pheasants. So we're just gonna roll with this, and I'll kind of show you guys what I'm using. But yeah, this is the batter I'm going to use for today. And this is Jack's Tackle Original Coating. And I haven't tried it yet, but he said it's pretty dang good. So I'm going to give it a try and fry all this heart, duck, and walleye up and see how it tastes. Like I said, I'll just fry it up in butter, get that warmed up, and hopefully it's pretty dang good. So I got that all dried off, pat that dry with this paper towel. You're going to put it in the dry flour. That mix that Jack made, and then I'll put it in the egg wash, and I'll put it back in there, and then I'll put it in the pan when we get some butter going. Right, buddy? You gonna have some? Well, I got the walleye on and the duck, and see how it goes. First reaction to it, it smells a lot like Alfredo sauce, so I think this is going to be good.
All right, going for a bite. That is pretty dang good, yeah. The smell was a lot like Alfredo sauce, but the taste was a little bit more garlicky, which I enjoy garlic, and it was phenomenal. But yeah, if you're looking for some bread coating, that's not just like flour. Usually I just use flour, a little bit of garlic salt, and some seasoning, but this tastes way better. But yeah, I'll link it in the description if you're looking for a little something different for your bread coatings. But yeah, I'll finish the rest of this, and then I'll give you a little recap of the day I had. Well, what an awesome hunt that was, to be able to get a limit of walleyes, mallards, and then also pheasants all in one day. It's probably the 4th or 5th time that I've been able to do this, but just the first time that I've gotten on video, and then I'll be able to share with you guys. So makes for a long day, but it is an absolute blast. Hopefully one of these days I can get a limit of geese also on top of that. But also too, this year I've been shooting a lot of steel shot at pheasants this year, and it does open up a lot of opportunities for waterfowl, because I've had a lot of times where I've had geese or ducks fly right over me, and in years past haven't been able to shoot because I have lead. But I think I'm gonna start switching to steel shot, especially when I'm pheasant hunting. I think about half the pheasant hunts I've been on this year, I've actually used steel, and it seems to do the job just fine. But I also want to shout out my wife for letting me get out this much and to be able to spend a whole day out hunting and fishing. I just actually got done with my vacation. I had 2 12-day periods where I was off from work, and I got a lot of videos in store for you guys, both hunting and a little bit of fishing. I don't know if I'll share that this year, but maybe next year. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I had an absolute blast filming it. So again, I'd appreciate it if you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya! Bye!